Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this 6-piece wooden puzzle. I can't remember exactly what this is called. It's like a 6-piece cross wooden puzzle. Anyway, to get the puzzle apart to start with, you're just going to go around and push all of the pieces on the edge until you find this little block piece that moves. And once you find the block piece that moves, you can just pull it apart and basically the whole puzzle will just fall to bits. After you've done that, you can just pull the pieces to bits. Step 2 is putting it back together, of course. So we're going to find two pieces that are identical. One that looks like this and one that looks like this. And you're going to make them into this shape here, and then you're going to take the one on the left and you're going to rotate it 90 degrees so that it locks in like that. Next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and put this piece, which looks like this, in the side over here. Next you are going to want to take the piece that just looks like the letter C, and you're going to go ahead and insert that in there like that. Second to last piece is this piece over here, which looks like this, and then you can go ahead and place it down in the position like this. And then finally we will put the pin that locks the whole puzzle together in the side like this, and just go ahead and push it in, and that is how you solve the 6-piece wooden cross puzzle. Pretty easy puzzle. Might take you a while if it's your first time solving it to figure out how to get it apart. It shouldn't take too long because you just push the little pin piece here and it'll slide out. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.